I'm Dr. Midunam. I'm a income tax faculty. Salaried person, I would expect more relief on the new tax regime as well as the old, because we have to focus, because most of the people are taking committed because of the old tax regime. So it will be fair enough to get some more benefits in the old tax regime as well, and giving more exemptions and deductions in the new tax regime. If possible, it will be good to have certain deductions in the new tax regime also, and relief will be also beneficial in case of the salaried individuals. And for those who are dealing with the shares and all, a little bit means some relief should be given in the case of taxes of long-term capital gain will be beneficial to them. At the same time, when looking about the startup sectors, when suppose if they are giving some benefits regarding the easy access of the loans, it will be enhance the startup sectors also. Last year budget was helpful for the middle class persons. Actually, it will be fair enough to give more exemptions as well as I said, the deductions and relief in the new in this year also, so that it will make them earn, or in cash salary will, or in cash hand will be fair enough to be